Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting 1 minute to protect electronics. This prevents module faults. Next, use a T20 and 10 mm to remove the screws holding the wheel arch liner, then gently fold the liner back to reveal the headlight rear. Once you have access, unplug the headlight connector and remove the 3 headlight mounting bolts. Make sure to keep fasteners organized and label any plugs. Doing these steps now saves time when you reinstall the assembly later. Now you will mount the angel eye rings inside the headlight housing. Position them so light centers align and secure with clips or automotive adhesive. Once mounted, route the wiring through the factory rubber grommet. Carefully enlarge a small slit if needed and reseal with silicone to keep moisture out. Then connect the positive lead to the parking light circuit, or better, use the included relay harness and inline fuse to protect the circuit. Use a multimeter to verify voltage and polarity before final sealing and closure. Reinstall the headlight assembly and tighten the 3 mounting bolts evenly. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the main connector and the battery negative terminal, then test the angel eyes with parking lights and full electrical system. Check turn signals and headlight functions. If the rings flicker or throw errors, inspect ground connections first and ensure the relay harness is wired correctly. Add a dedicated ground or kink-compatible resistor if the car reports a fault. Finally, reseat the wheel arch liner and torque fastener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.